Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Advil, which you might know as ibuprofen. In this video, I'll explain when and how to use it safely. Advil is a medicine that belongs to the group of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. We call these NSAIDs for short. It helps us relieve mild pain like headaches, muscle aches, period cramps, or toothaches. It also lowers fever. So how does it do all this? Advil works by blocking substances in our body that cause inflammation and pain. Simply put, it helps you feel better by reducing swelling and discomfort. Now, let's talk about how much to take. For adults, it's normal to start with a dose of 200 to 400 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours as needed. But this is very important. Don't take more than 1200 milligrams a day without talking to your doctor first. For children, the dose depends on their weight, so it's essential to follow the pediatrician's instructions. While Advil is usually safe if used correctly, it can have some side effects. Some of the most common ones are an upset stomach, nausea, and dizziness. And be careful, because if you use it for a long time or in high doses, it can increase the risk of heart problems. So, in summary, use Advil to relieve mild or moderate pain and to lower fever. Always follow the dosage recommendations, and if you have any questions, consult your doctor. Break time point 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care and see you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.